Ready to slash prices and snag amazing deals on Temu. Here's how to unlock exclusive savings with a referral code. First, if you're new to Temu, the easiest time to use a referral code is right when you first sign up for a new account. Tap on the account or you tab at the bottom of the app. You'll then see an option to either log in or sign up. Tap sign up and proceed through the account creation process. Keep an eye out for a field that says referral code or have a referral code. It's usually found on the signup form or a subsequent screen. Enter your friend's unique Temu referral code here. Once entered, you'll likely see an immediate benefit, like a discount on your first order or bonus credits applied to your account. Even if you're an existing user, you can still benefit. Sometimes, referral codes can be applied during the checkout process for specific promotions. As you're about to finalize your order, look at the payment or order review screen. You might find a field for discount codes or promo codes where you can enter a valid referral code. Now, the exciting part, sharing your own. Earning rewards with Temu's referral program is super simple. Go back to your account tab and find the invite friends or refer and earn option here. Temu will provide you with your own unique referral code and a shareable link. You can copy your referral code and link to share with friends and family via text, email, social media, or any messaging app. When your friends use your code or link to sign up and make a purchase, you'll earn rewards, typically credits, discounts, or exclusive offers. This is a fantastic way to increase your savings on all your Temu purchases and maximize your benefits from the platform. So start sharing and start saving.